Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Sa mga hindi pa nakakilala sa akin, ako nga pala si Engineer Kim. I'm a registered mechanical engineer. And if you're interested about mechanical engineering, make sure lang naka-follow at naka-subscribe kayo sa mga social media accounts ko para updated tayo sa mga latest uploads ko. As you can see, wala ako sa vlogging studio ko. So, nandito ako ngayon sa Moonvar and Cafe, located sa Gusian Pier, Kaohsiung City, Taiwan. Okay, so napakaganda ng place na to, nakaka-relax yung ambience, talagang marirestore yung mga energy natin, okay? Going back, ang topic natin for today is about top 5 things you should know before studying mechanical engineering. Okay, if you're thinking about pursuing a career in this field, make sure lang na tapusin nyo yung video na to. Okay, so simulan na natin. So first thing na dapat alam natin before taking or studying a mechanical engineering course is it's more math than you think. Mechanical engineering is heavy on math. Alam naman natin yan, hindi lang sa mechanical but also sa ibang major ng engineering. Okay? From calculus to differential equations, you'll need to get comfortable with advanced math. But don't worry, magagamit din naman natin ito in the near future, lalo na kung mapupunta kayo sa field ng design. Okay? So kung mag-design kayo ng machines, kailangan magaling kayo sa calculations. Kasi marami kang compute na forces dito. So lahat i-consider mo na factors dito. Kaya kailangan is equip talaga and magaling, or not only magaling, but magaling kang mag-isip lalo sa mga logic na kailangan mong i-solve, di ba? Solving real-world problems and making sense of physical forces. Okay, so if hindi mo siya strong yung foundation mo sa math, so don't worry, lahat naman ng bagay din sa practice. Kaya honestly, ako din naman is hindi naman ako magaling sa math. So, na-practice naman ako ng practice. Sa mahalaga, huwag mong susubukan yung mathematics, lalo na kapag engineering yung pinili mo na course. Number 2, solid understanding of physics is essential. Okay? Physics is the backbone of mechanical engineering, whether it's statics, dynamics, or thermodynamics. Understanding how forces, energy, and motion work will be crucial for every project. Okay? Lalo na sa pagsasolve ng real-world problems like sa engines, buildings, or robotics. Gamit na gamit talaga yung physics. Kaya dapat tatagan natin yung background natin sa physics. Number 3, you'll be doing a lot of problem solving. Okay? Mechanical engineering is all about problem solving. So, napakadami mo isa-solve na problem. Whether you're designing a new part or improving an existing system or even troubleshooting issues, you need to think creatively and critically. It's not just memorizing formulas, it's about applying concept to real engineering challenges. Okay? So, hindi lang tayo dapat magkakabisado ng mga formulas. Kailangan may apply din natin siya. So, napakadaming trial and error dito. So, dapat ready tayo dito. Mahaba yung attention natin sa mga ganitong bagay. Kasi, hindi naman sa unang calculate mo is makukuha mo agad. Diba? So, marami pa tayong trials, maraming errors. So, kailangan matyaga lang tayo mag-try na mag-try. Okay? Number 4, hands-on skills are just important as theory. While textbooks and lectures are important, mechanical engineering is incredibly hands-on. Okay? So, from building a prototypes to designing using CAD software, bringing your ideas into reality. So, kailangan hindi lang basta magaling ka mag-memorize, magaling ka mag-solve. Kailangan yung mga ideas mo na yan is na gagawa mo siya in reality. So, may involve ka sa mga different machines, tools. Okay, so marami kang matututunan sa mga workshops. You'll spend a lot of time bringing your ideas to life. Okay, so kailangan lahat ng mga dine-design natin is ma-accomplish natin siya and makikita natin siya in reality. Okay, so kaya mahalaga sa mechanical engineering yung hands-on practice. Number 5, last but not the least, time management and teamwork are key. Finally, time management and teamwork are the skills you need to thrive in mechanical engineering. Marami dito mga projects na mga tight deadlines. So, kailangan magaling kang mag-manage ng time kasi hindi lang isang subjects kasi dito yung magpo-focusan mo. So, marami kang subjects na kailangan ding aralin and then pag nagsabay-sabay yon, so sobrang hirap, di ba? So, kailangan magaling kang mag-time management. Okay, so mahalaga talaga yon. Okay? And then, about naman sa teamwork, collaboration is essential. Okay? So, mag-work tayo in a group. Kaya kailangan marunong ka makipag-communicate and then stay organized. Okay? Remember, you're not in this alone. So, teamwork is the key to success. So, kailangan makipag-communicate ka sa mga ka-group mo, mag-brainstorming kayo, kay collaboration. Napakahalaga nito lalo na kapag group kayo. So, hindi lang yung isang tao lang gumagawa. Kailangan lahat kayo is nagtutulong-tulong para lahat tayo natututo and then mas maganda yung magiging outcome ng project nyo. Hopefully, may natutunan kayo sa video ko na to. Once again, I'm Engineer Kim. Thank you for watching and God bless everyone. Bye-bye!